Hi, welcome back. In today's video, I'm using these gorgeous tile stickers that I got from Dollar Tree. And for the first DIY, I found this love picture and I'm just using a scraper tool to scrape off the word love, which was just cardboard. And then I use a sanding block from Dollar Tree just to sand off all the glue and cardboard that was left on the picture. And after I finished sanding, I gave it 2 coats of white Waverly chalk paint. And then I dry brushed some of the ink Waverly chalk paint on the frame. And you can leave it white if you want to, or you could do it solid black. But I decided I didn't like how this looked. And if you don't like something, it's easy just to paint over. But I didn't want to paint over the black completely. I wanted to blend it in with this silver metallic paint by Folk Art. And I just used the same brush that I used for the black paint, and I just mixed in the silver paint, and I really like how the colour turned out. And these are the tile stickers from Dollar Tree, and all I did was cut one of the long edges off and it fit perfect. I didn't even take it off the sticker sheet, I just hot glued it and then fit it inside. And then I hot glued this magnet that I got that I thought was really cute right in the middle. And I wanted these stickers for a while and I finally found them, and I think they're gorgeous. And if you just wanted to make it without the magnet, this is what it would look like. And then this is it with the magnet, and I love how this turned out. I love the dark silver colour, and I love the stickers, and I love the magnet. But you guys can let me know what you think in the comments down below. I've had this in my stash for a while and it was from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to paint it with the white Waverly chalk paint. And then I'm just going to do the same thing I did with the previous DIY and paint on the black and then paint the silver on, because I don't know what it would look like if I just mixed them together, so I just did the same thing again. And then I just stick the tile stickers in place, and I didn't use any glue, but I would recommend that you do because they aren't very sticky. And I just make sure that I try and get them equally spaced out. And I think it turned out really pretty. I just love these tiles. I think I had the flash on here, so they are quite shiny when the light is shining on them, but when the camera's not on them, they look really good. This little frame was from Dollar Tree and it was already painted black because I'd used it in a previous DIY, and it was the Waverly ink chalk paint. So I'm just sticking in the stickers and trying to space them evenly, and this was such an easy DIY. I only had 2 packs of those stickers, so I had to make sure I used them all. And this is just a little cute picture you could put on a tier tray or something. I wanted to show you what they look like on the black background, and I love it. I love how they look. And for this last DIY, I have these 2 wooden pallets from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use some super glue, wood glue, to glue them together to make a wee shelf. And once the glue sets, I'm going to paint it with the Waverly white chalk paint. And then I just start sticking the stickers on and just make sure I space them out evenly. And I won't show you the rest, I'll do it off camera. first I made it with a white paint, and this is it here. And I love how it turned out, with my favourite colour is black, and I wanted to put it in my craft room, so I painted it black, and I'm going to show you it right now. And here it is, and I just love how it turned out. So let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.